The magic of magnets. Can you imagine having a superpower that lets you pull things toward you without even touching them? Well, that's kind of what magnets do. Magnets can attract or pull towards them certain types of metals, like iron. But how do they work? To understand the magic of magnets, we need to look a bit closer at what they are made of. Magnets are special because they have something called a magnetic field around them. It's like an invisible force field that reaches out and grabs objects made of iron, nickel, cobalt, or certain other metals. But what creates this magnetic field? Let's imagine tiny warriors called electrons. Every atom, which is what everything is made of, has these electrons spinning around it. When most of these electrons spin in the same direction, they create a magnetic field. In magnets, lots of electrons line up perfectly to build a super strong magnetic force. Have you ever tried putting two magnets together and felt them push away from each other? That's another part of their magical power. Magnets have two ends, known as poles, a north pole and a south pole. When the north pole of one magnet gets close to the south pole of another magnet, they pull each other close. But if you try to push two north poles or two south poles together, they will push each other away. Scientists call this attraction and repulsion. The incredible thing about magnets is that they work even when they aren't touching the objects they attract. Imagine them like a sneaky, gentle giant whose arms are long enough to hug things from short distance away. Magnets can be all shapes and sizes, from small ones you keep on your fridge to giant ones found in scrap yards to lift vehicles. They're also hidden inside lots of everyday things like earphones, computers, and even the Earth, which acts like a giant magnet itself. So, next time you use a magnet, remember that you're holding a little piece of invisible magic that shows us just how fascinating and surprising the world can be.